family, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. This is a home where you'll be learning various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. My name is Faith, and on our today's recipe, guys, we shall be making kienyeji chicken. I am super excited about this particular dish. I mean, this is one of our Kenyan favorite dishes, so let's see how Koki does her kienyeji chicken. And guys, kama kawaida, we normally introduce our ingredients. So with me here, I have a whole kienyeji chicken. Then with me here, I have a mixture of ginger and garlic. Then I'll be using chicken cube as my only spice. Over here, I have some coriander. We have some onions. These are 4 grated tomatoes and salt. So right away, let's get started. Alright guys, so I will be boiling my chicken using this pressure cooker. I'm just going to add in my chicken, then followed in by ginger and garlic paste, and lastly we are going to add in some salt. So guys, the essence of boiling this using garlic and ginger, we want our meat to be as tender as possible. So we're just going to add in some little water. Then finally, I'm going to leave this to boil for 45 minutes. But if you're using normal cooking hot pot, you can let it boil for 1 hour. So guys, it has been 45 minutes to be exact, and my meat looks amazing, and most importantly, it looks tender. Let me just show you from a closer view. You can see it's tender. So if you're not using a pressure cooker, it's good for you to boil it for 1 hour, even 1.5 hours, because you want your meat to be nice and tender. So I'm just gonna drain this soup. We are going to use this for our stew and get to the next step. So there goes my meat. I love it. And that's the soup. Next we're going to add our onions. And we're gonna cook it. Next I'm going to come in with my tomatoes. These are 4 blended tomatoes, sorry, grated. Next I'm going to add in 1 chicken cube, and remember we had boiled using some salt, so we're just going to add little salt and give this a nice mix. We want the tomatoes to cook, so we're just going to give it like 2 minutes. And next guys, we are going to add in our chicken slowly and give this a nice mix. So we're just going to give this 2 minutes because we want these tomatoes to blend in nicely with the chicken. So guys, let's check on our food. Lovely. So I'm just gonna give this a nice turn around. This is actually ready. You can actually serve it at this point, but we are going to add in some water, the one I used to boil it with at this point. So let's add the water. And let this cook, and we'll be done. And so guys, 5 minutes later, let's check on our dish. As you can see, the paste looks amazing. And finally, we are going to wind up by garnishing our food with some coriander. And for our kienyeji recipe, it's a wrap. Okay.